Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Boost your day with lemon water. The common mistake you are making. When it comes to lemons, my first thought is that sour face I make when I try to eat one. But hey, I still enjoy the fantastic benefits of lemons by sipping lemon water every morning. In this video, we'll talk about why lemon water is good for you and the one common mistake many people make when preparing it. Is lemon water good for you? Lemon water doesn't make me pucker up because I mix it with hot water. It's refreshing, invigorating, and gives my metabolism a boost. Lemons are like a health superhero. They're packed with vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and copper. But here's the kicker. Many folks miss out on the most nutritious part of the lemon, the peel. The right way to make lemon water. So, you've been squeezing a lemon into your water, right? But there's a better way. Here's the ideal lemon water recipe. Grab some fresh, preferably organic lemons. Slice them as thick or thin as you like. Squeeze some lemon slices into your water, but not all of them. Grate the zest from the squeezed slices into your drink. Put the remaining unsqueezed slices in your bottle or cup. Fill it up with hot or cold water. Enjoy. Lemon water's benefits. Health experts say that lemon water's acidity helps digestion, slows down food absorption, and reduces insulin stores. It can also kickstart your digestive system in the morning and reduce fluid retention. So, if you're not already a lemon water fan, give it a shot. And if you are, make sure you are doing it the right way to reap all the benefits. Conclusion. Lemon water is a simple, healthy way to start your day. Just remember to include the lemon zest and enjoy all the goodness it has to offer. Cheers to a refreshing and healthy morning routine.
Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.